In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Figma. Let's keep this simple and clear so you can follow along and apply it right away. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Once you're in, open your design file. This can be a project you're already working on or a new canvas you're starting from. Give it a moment to load so everything is crisp and easy to select. Now make sure your text is ready. If you already have a text layer on your canvas, click it once to select it. If you're editing the wording, double-click to enter text editing mode and finish typing before you add any styling. It's always easier to apply underlines once the text content is finalized or close to it, because the underline will follow exactly what you select. With your text selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen, in the Design panel. Find the Typography section. If it looks condensed, click the Small Settings or More Options icon to expand the text controls. Inside these text options, you'll see the Underline control. To underline everything in a text layer, first highlight the text you want to affect. You can drag across the text or use a quick Select All while editing the text layer. Once the text is highlighted, click the Underline option. You'll see the styling apply immediately. If you only want to underline specific words or phrases, the process is almost the same, just more precise. Double-click the text to enter editing mode, then highlight exactly the word or words you want. Be careful to include the spaces only if you want those underlined as well. When your selection looks right, click Underline. Only the highlighted part will get the underline, leaving the rest of the sentence or paragraph untouched. A few quick tips to make this easier. Zoom in slightly if your selection is small so you don't accidentally catch extra characters. If you don't see the underline option at first, make sure the text layer is selected and that you've expanded the typography settings. And remember, underline is a text decoration, so it sticks to the characters you select. If you change the text later, the underline will continue to apply to any characters inside the underlined range. That's it. Open Figma, open your design, make sure your text is ready, go to the typography settings on the right, highlight your text and click Underline. For specific words, just highlight those and click Underline. Thanks for watching and happy designing.